Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Wynne Jean. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I created this spicy little updo with this wig that XrsBeauty sent me. They're sponsoring today's video. They sent me this gorgeous straight wig. It's 20 inches and 150% density. It comes pre-plucked and it has single knots, so it's really easy to blend, and it's easier to bleach the knots, which can be a testy little process, so I appreciate that. The single knots on this wig are amazing, and it gives that scalp skin look a lot easier. I actually spent more time styling the hair than I did actually putting it on, girl. It was really easy, and if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking.
So when the wig originally came, it looks like this. It came with the braids already in it with the really straight hair. It comes perfectly pre-plucked. The knots were bleached. This wig came perfect. And it came with a couple of goodies. They sent me a comb, an additional adjustable strap, a edge brush, a wig cap, and they sent me some flexi rods, but I decided to keep the hair straight today, so I didn't need them. The only thing I needed to do to prep the wig was trim out any combs that I didn't want to keep in the wig. I typically only keep the comb in the back. I adjusted the adjustable straps. I trimmed any additional lace off the wig, and it was ready to go. I didn't have to do anything too crazy, which I appreciate. I decided to leave out a little bit of my sideburns because putting down sideburns on wigs is entirely too hard for me.
Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so thick. Now I know what it called, being fatty.
Lately for my glueless installs, I've been really liking to have the hair cut how I need it before I apply it. I think it's just a lot easier.
I guess they're just my cause, girl, they wish they had it. Ooh, my killer, yeah, you're a classic, and you're all mine tonight. I be on my suicide shit.
I'm gonna go in and apply this right in front of my hairline. I don't want to apply it too much onto the cap because it's like kind of water based. Sometimes it'll make my cap lift. I see other people doing it, but when I do it, it does not work out. So I don't want my cap to lift. Let it air dry just a bit, and then while it's still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and lay that lace down.
Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Now we're in the swing of love. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Hey. Let me show you a few things.
Taking a little pea-sized amount of some John Frieda frizzies and just kind of running this through the hair. So I just straightened this side and it's super silky, shiny, soft. I got my hot comb heating up, so I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and just apply this right around the part. It's always nice to have like the hair nice and smooth on the side.
I just had to touch it. It's so fine. It's so mine, baby. We don't
And you want to make sure you get this back as smooth as possible. You do not want a tall wig, girl. So we're going to just smooth this back as best as we can. And then I'm taking this clip off of the braids, and I'm just gonna sit my hot comb on top of the braids to kind of get rid of any lump. And then I'm taking my little minis. You can take your regular flat iron too, but I already turned mine off. I have my little minis on so we can start the baby hair. Alright, so I pulled some baby hairs out of the braid. So I'm going in with my List bronzer on a little crease brush, and I'm just applying this to the front of the lace to blend it in with the complexion.
Wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, it's so nice, baby. And we don't mind all the watching. Cause if it's dirty close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little deuce when she does it. She's so fine. I be on my suit and tie shit. I be on my suit and tie shit. Let me show you what you
Okay, so this is the finished look. It's a very messy updo with straight hair on the bottom. I went kind of crazy on the baby hair, but I feel like it adds so much spice to this look. It's very Spice Girl. Let me show you guys the back of my little bun. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. This hair is really, really pretty, and I love the fact that the knots are so small. I installed the hair straight out of the bag, no washing, no bleaching the knots, no plucking. I didn't have to do anything, which was mighty convenient. I really, really like this hair. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.